Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs whirlpool. Bring a wide, shallow pan to a gentle simmer, add 1 tablespoon vinegar, create a steady whirlpool, drop a room temperature egg into the center, cook 3 minutes for a runny yolk, then lift with a slotted spoon onto a paper towel. Drain gently, blot excess water, season with salt and pepper, and serve immediately on toast with a sprinkle of herbs for best results. Use a timer and steady hands to nail doneness every time. For a classic runny yolk, cook about 3 minutes or 4 minutes for slightly firmer texture. Keep the simmer gentle so the whirlpool shapes the white around the yolk without shredding it. Always lift eggs with a slotted spoon and blot on paper towel so they stay presentable. Practice makes a reliable rhythm, and beautiful poached eggs become routine. When things go wrong, small tweaks fix most issues quickly. Use fresher eggs and a more vigorous whirlpool if whites spread badly. Lower the heat and shave off 30 seconds if yolks are overdone. If eggs cling to the pan, slip a spoon underneath with a gentle swirl and lift slowly. Keep water just below a boil and adjust technique between batches until your timing and confidence match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.